Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. And this week, I want to speak about how to manage a vegan versus non vegan relationship, whether it be married, single, or you're just simply dating. So, I'm going to give my top 5 tips in order to manage, deal, or kind of help your relationship, whether being you being the vegan and them being the non vegan or flip. So, it's pretty simple. So, my first tip is to, if you're dating, married, or whatever the case may be, make sure if you're going out to a restaurant, look at the menu first. So if you look at the menu before you get there, that way you won't be discouraged. Me being vegan, I want to see what my options are before I get there. That way, if there isn't anything other than just some sides, then we might need to go pick a different restaurant. So it kind of helps the conflict when you look at the restaurant menu first versus just, hey, let's just go to this restaurant. And then you just kind of go, oh, well, I guess I'll have some fries or, a salad. So there's a lot more food than just, salads and fries and sides for a vegan. So, just to help your relationship, you want to look at the menu first. Number 2, so if you're at home, you don't want to go out to eat, try to have a vegan meal as the base. So say for instance, you're gonna do like stir fry. Stir fry, there's usually a whole lot of vegetables in there with the rice noodles or the pad thai noodles, whatever you're using. But start with the base of vegan, and then at the end, you can separate if the non-vegan likes chicken, steak, beef, pork, whatever it is, you can add the meat at the end so that way you both are satisfied. Number 3 is to cook together. By cooking together, you're allowing them into your world. So pick a recipe that intrigues them, have a good time, play some music. This allows you to spend some quality time, watch and learn, how you do things and what's actually in the meal. That way you can make it fun and then you can enjoy the meal together. Number 4 is to let them try a meal that's vegan or a bite. So if they aren't into cooking, you don't want to force them to cook. So let them try one of your meals, either something that you've cooked or something in a restaurant. Let them have a bite, or actually just make them a meal and just let them try it and see what they think. I mean, that's the best way to let somebody, get a little more open to the vegan world. So it's quite simple. So just let them try a bite or an entire meal and, have an open dialogue afterwards. And last but not least, number 5 is to be respectful and open. This goes for any relationship that you're in. Make sure that you're respectful of each other, the meals that you like, the things you enjoy. Make sure you're open about the things you do and don't want to try on both sides, me being vegan or whoever is non-vegan. Make sure you respect one another at the end of the day. If they don't want to try it, you can't force anybody to be vegan or try to be vegan or take a bite. So just be respectful, be open, keep the communication flowing on both sides. And if there's an issue, make sure you bring it up. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have any other tips that you do or see for anyone that is vegan or non-vegan in a relationship. Thank you again. Bye.